Hi everyone, welcome to the Thinking Crypto YouTube channel. I hope you're healthy and doing well. On this channel, we cover the news, facts, and sentiments about the crypto market. And we also interview many of the people that are building and investing in the crypto asset class. Recently, I interviewed CZ, Binance's CEO. Today, I uploaded my interview with Mark Yusko, who's the founder and CEO of Morgan Creek Capital, a hedge fund investing in crypto. And, in their respective fund, they have pensions and endowments investing in it. So we're going to talk a bit about that, guys. So if you're new here, please hit that subscribe button as well as the thumbs up button. Guys, further confirmation, institutional players and investors are getting into the crypto asset class. They are buying it up OTC. They're investing in the companies that are building the infrastructure. And here we got news that New York Power Plant sells 30% of its Bitcoin mining hash rate to who? Institutional buyers. So we had talked about this company or this power plant a couple months ago where the news broke that they were using the excess energy they had to mine Bitcoin. So Greenidge Generation, an upstate New York power plant that's using proprietary facilities to mine Bitcoin, has sold up to 30% of its computing power to institutional buyers. This is very interesting, guys, because these institutional buyers are, and they mention it here, hedge funds and family offices. What are these people doing talking about Bitcoin and trying to buy up the Bitcoin mining? They see what's coming. They see how young this market is, and they see how the asset class of crypto is growing, and the underlying technology of blockchain is being used to build out different trust levels in different industries, and they want to get a hold of all of it to make money. And I'm glad I'm here early. Just like many of you, we are on the side of smart money, guys. The firm said in an announcement on Friday that the deal brokered by BitOda Digital preceded the sale of 106,000 terahashes per second of Bitcoin mining power to undisclosed buyers consisting of hedge funds and family offices. The sale was enabled through the execution of BitOda's hash contracts, which allow institutional buyers to get exposure to Bitcoin mining without having to go through the process of purchasing and setting up the equipment. So I love this, guys. I love what they're trying to do here, and it further validates what we are invested in here. At the Bitcoin network's current mining competition level, 1 terahash of computing power would be able to produce about 0.00001709 Bitcoin per day in a day, As such, the deal would give the buyers a daily yield of about 1.8 Bitcoin, worth around $13,000, in addition to having the corresponding hardware pledged as collaterals. Very interesting. And we're going to see more and more people trying to get into Bitcoin mining. As I've stated, guys, I am not a maximalist for any coin. XRP is the number one in my portfolio. Bitcoin's my number two. I'm bullish on both. I'm bullish on Ethereum as well. Bitcoin is a store of value, digital gold. It doesn't have, the utility of a day-to-day currency, but it's being used as digital gold. And there are many people investing in it. I just interviewed CZ, Binance's CEO, and they are building a Bitcoin mining pool. We know about the Bitcoin mining farm being built in Texas in the United States, and it's going to be the world's largest when it's completed. It's a $150 million project sitting on 100 acres. Guys, these people are doubling down on Bitcoin mining because Bitcoin's here to stay. Once again, not as maybe the day-to-day currency, but as a digital gold. And just as gold exists right now in the real world as a tangible metal, right, you have fiat currency as well. So they can exist, side by side. And likewise, Bitcoin's going to be the digital gold, and you're going to have other digital assets like XRP and Ethereum serving different use cases. That is my take. And being fully transparent, I'm not a maximalist for any coin, but I do see a future here for Bitcoin, and we are seeing a lot of money being invested in, and they're doubling down here. Now, we are headed to the token economy, and we got news here that France's CBDC test, we talked about this last week, moves digital euro one step closer to reality. Guys, the Chinese are building the digital yuan. The U.S. is trying to beat them to it by building the digital dollar. In my interview with Mark Yusko earlier today, we talked about that. If the Chinese beat the United States to it, it could really knock out the US dollar as a world reserve currency. So there is a political economic battle happening here. And they're going to be leveraging blockchain technology, and it further validates the crypto asset class. It's going to build interoperability with the crypto asset class. And we also see that tokenization of different assets like real estate and stocks and many different things is taking place. So you have tokenization of securities. And here this article highlights that the real estate security tokens steadily gain market share. People are recognizing the value of tokenizing different assets because it allows more folks to get involved and invest, and it's a market that does not close. The stock market is closed today because of the Easter holiday, and it will be open on Monday. The crypto asset class never closes. Crypto trading can be going on 24/7 globally. And that is the game changer, guys. So the nascent real estate security token or RES sector experienced consistent growth in Q1 2020. 3 new properties were listed, also listed on Real IT during March, doubling the monthly real estate token trade. RES now represent nearly half of the active security token markets and 15% of the total volume. So this may not seem like a lot, but just remember how early we are, and the early bird gets the worm, right? These folks are trying to get in early and get ahead of this booming asset class. So exciting things ahead. And once again, I'm glad I'm here early along with all of you guys. Finally, Ledger. Many of us use the Ledger hardware wallet, the Nano X, Nano S. They have partnered with Crypto.com to expand crypto payment options. And the partnerships, acquisitions, mergers, expansion continues. This is a great sign. So according to an April 9th announcement, the firm has chosen to accept payments in Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Litecoin, and Crypto.com coin via Crypto.com's application. This is not the first time the Ledger has allowed its customers to pay with crypto. They already accept Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, and XRP via their crypto payment processor, BitPay. So more partnerships and setups here for on-ramps for retail and institutional investors. Once again, this is a great sign. You want to look at, are things being built? Are investments being made? Is hiring taking place? Are companies being acquired? That's a great sign of a growing market. And once again, the infrastructure being built out for the growth of it, and institutional investors are leading it this time around. And eventually the masses will come through, when these companies start to market, investing in cryptos and digital assets. It's on its way. We just got to be patient. So guys, what do you think about this news? Leave your thoughts and comments below. Thumbs up if you like this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll talk to you all later.